This is Nick Panny, and Midget, he's next to this Eat More Chicken stuffed animal. I thought it would be cute. Look at Midget and the stuffed animal. It's a little cow. I think it is, though. He's getting up, okay. I think see on the back it says Eat More Chicken. Eat more chicken. Huh. And Midget is getting up. This is Midget. This is the stuffed animal. And there's Midget. Midgie. Okay, everyone. That's all I have to say. Okay, bye.